Daytona. We're just having like a chill day. We're gonna go to the Jacuzzi later, and then we have reservations for a really nice dinner at 6:15. Right now it is about to be 2:40. We're about to head to Dollar Tree to pick up a couple things that we need and maybe bop around a little bit. We're not doing anything too serious. And then we're gonna come back, chill, shower, get ready, and go to our dinner. But yeah, y'all, today's gonna be a chill day, but whatever we do today, I will vlog it. So we just left Dollar Tree. We had to pick up a few things, and now we're back at Buc-ee's.
Cook so good. That small one cook good.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Ooh. Okay, I want to taste it. We're back in here. I think I'm gonna get a salad. This looks good. Or chef salad. Oh, they have hot dogs? I forgot they have other stuff. Ooh, I wonder how their tacos are. You gonna try something different tomorrow?
Yeah.
Are you just gonna get a barbecue sandwich to take home? Ooh, oh my god, y'all. Yeah, I got it. Ooh, y'all, look at that sausage sandwich. We didn't see that yesterday. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at that. Y'all, we love this place, okay? Alright, y'all, hubby's picking up some candies.
We have to go and get some.
Alright, y'all, we just left out of Buc-ee's for the second time. We really like Buc-ee's. That's probably the highlight. We're just wasting time, honestly, because the highlight of our day is going to be our dinner date. So we're just wasting time, but here, babe, you can show them what you got. Y'all, I got a salad just to eat something light because I'm hungry. He can wait until dinner. I can't. So I picked up this salad. This is a Southwest salad. Looks really good. And I got ranch.
I got banana pudding. Little small thing, and for home, for the road, when I get back home, I got my candy. Very cheap.
What are those?
This is the rainbow sour ones. I mean sour belts. This is the strawberry. And then I got the watermelon. And then I also just got some peach rings. So
They look really good.
yeah.
It's like big bags.
And those are the ones that come from the things that they might just order from this sugar.
They're really, well, these are really soft.
Yeah.
But yeah, y'all, I think these bags were $2.99 or $3.99 a piece.
Very cheap. 4 ounces.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, they re-sealed. That's nice.
Yeah, I mean, but it's already sealed right there. So it's like,
Yeah. But yeah, y'all, that's what we're doing now. Just buying time, honestly. I want to taste that banana pudding.
huh?
I want to taste the banana pudding. You did my fork. You did. Thank you.
Why they put whipped cream on that shit?
Because people love whipped cream. Y'all, I'm about to take this banana pudding. Taking the whipped cream off, you don't like whipped cream. bite to a cookie yet? Like it?
Like it?
It's good. I prefer more cookies though.
This is a smaller one. The other one had a lot in there.
It's good though. I got a piece of banana and I got a piece of cookie, so. But yeah, y'all, we will come back with whatever we do next. All right, y'all. So we're back at the resort and we're about to just chill. We only have like an hour and a half before we have to leave for dinner. So we're just about to chill in our room until it's time for our reservation. Yep. Nope. I wouldn't get on either one of those. Alright guys, so we're on the way to dinner. Our reservation is at 6:15. It's 6:10. We're about to pull up. To eat, it's called the Hyde Steakhouse. So I'll show y'all when we get inside.
You know how to work this one.
Just push it.
Really heavy. There ain't nobody else. It's cheese. Oh, it's also, I thought that was onions.
a tiki bar down there. And we don't know. We might get in the inside pool, or we might just get in the jacuzzi, or we might stay outside. We don't know yet, but we're headed down there now. We outside. We usually come out the other door. We usually come out the other door. I said, yeah, I know that. I know that pool cold.